Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add a shipping address on the Shein app. Let's begin. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone. You can also use Google Chrome to access Shein through a web browser. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on Me located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings at the top right corner. A new screen will appear. From the list of options, select Address Book. It's the first option above Change Currency. Tap on it, then click on Add a Shipping Address. Now, you will see a form where you need to enter your shipping details. Fill in all the required fields, including your phone number, city, postal code, and full address. Make sure each detail is entered correctly to avoid delivery issues. Once everything is filled out, tap on Save to confirm your new address. Your shipping address will now be stored in your profile, and you can use it for future orders. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.